everybody, welcome back. We're going to do a quick comparison today by popular request to beautiful short curly bobs by Wille. Scala is the newest short curly bob style by Wille, and the curls, I've said before, kind of rival something you would see from Belle Trust. Very modern, tapered and textured broken spiral here. Kind of that messy, casual look that I love so much. In the front, you're going to see a 7-inch bang, and then overall right around 9 to 10 inches. Scala has an extended lace front and left monofilament side part. It has some closed panels with some integrated wefting throughout. It's very comfortable. It fits more petite average. So let's talk about dance real quick, and then I'll do the side by side. So the dance style is very, very similar. In fact, if you love dance, you already have this one, I think you're really going to love Scala for just that, maybe that extra casual look on certain days. So the dance style here has a similar front at around 7 inches. It has a similar length, and it also features an extended lace front, left monofilament side part, and then open weft on the top, sides, and back. It also fits more petite average to average. It does have a little more stretch in it compared to the Scala. The curl pattern is different. So on the Scala, I think you're going to see more layers here, which gives a little bit of a stacked effect. It accentuates the volume on the sides, and it really enhances this curl pattern quite a bit for that messy casual look. On dance, you're going to see that it has a little bit of a slimmer profile. So these curls, although they're taken down on the ends and it's a very modern look, they sort of hug the head a little bit more. So they're not jumping off of that profile as easily. In terms of density, I would say it's very similar between the two, but there's a big distinct difference in the fiber. So Scala features the heat-friendly fiber by Wille. It's called a high heat fiber, whereas dance is regular fiber. It is not heat friendly. There's a big difference in the texture and the behavior of these fibers. So on the heat friendly fiber here on Scala, each one of the fibers has a little bit of a thicker denier to it. Okay, so each one is a little wider in diameter. It has a little bit of a more velvety, waxy type of feeling to it. I feel like it doesn't move quite as wispy as the regular synthetic fiber by Wille. Each one of these styles, neither one has a lot of permatease, just enough to cover up wefting. Like I say, I really feel like the combination of this layering, the stacked layering, and also this fiber gives Scala a more rounded, kind of fluffier appearance, and then you've got the lower profile here. But neither one are heavy in the permatease area. So let's go ahead, do a side by side. This is always so helpful. We'll see you soon, right here at TAZSWIGCLOSET.